Today, I wasn't planning on thrifting, as you guys know, until my thousands of death pile items are listed, but I got an email last night that the best Goodwill in California, the Hollywood one on Vine Street, is closing. So for the next few days, it's 50% off, so I have to go. I had just went there and got mother jeans that sold for $80, and then something else that sold for $150, and I spent $300, and I made it back in 2 items. So we're gonna go today. I'm gonna take you along with the vlog. Sorry if it's shaky, it's handheld, and I literally missed my ADD medication one day. So it's gonna be a journey. So I realized it's 9:17 and the Goodwill doesn't open until 10, so I'm gonna be early and be the first. Going to get Starbucks, I'm gonna try and get there at opening. Hey guys, I decided to break my little routine and not go to Starbucks because I would rather get there 15 minutes, 20 minutes early and wait in line. So I'm gonna get caffeine at 7-Eleven right now instead of Starbucks. So this is an update, bitch, and let's go. Guys, I guess I'm going around the corner to wait because the gate for Goodwill to get into the parking, I guess it's Hollywood, so it's sketchy at night, but the gate is closed. So am I gonna park on like just the side street until? It's not like I can wait in line. I have to rush and pull in right at 10. Oh my God. Okay, we can do this. Break, go. I'm currently waiting outside the gate of Goodwill. I can't even pull in because the gate's closed. Oh my God, I'm literally waiting. As soon as they open it, I'm running my car in on my feet, like the Flintstones. The gate just opened. I'm not even lying to you. I'm screaming. So I'm keeping my promise in doing voiceover. So these are Derek Lam jeans. I knew the designer. These aren't the exact pair, but they have retail for a lot. This brand, I have Madewell. I have this new brand to me. The comps were all over the place, so I picked those up. Now I'm just going through the jeans. These are Rag & Bone jeans. Rag & Bone used to sell for a lot, but these were pretty beat up, so I was like, bye. No, I didn't get them. And then random brands that are just like not amazing. Universal Thread, Cut From The Cloth, Kenzie. So nothing crazy. I looked for through the jeans for a while, because for me, I realized the things that have the highest returns are shoes and jeans. I got a pair of mother jeans at this store a few weeks ago. They sold for 80 bucks on eBay. I paid $7, but everything in this, oh yeah, that puckering, I learned that new term. That's what that is, the stretching at the crotch area. That's the worst when you get it, and then you go home and you realize that. These are Hudson jeans. Yep, no, huge hole in the butt. But, what was I saying? This voiceover is confusing for me. Oh, this brand is GG New York, and this is another brand example of, I didn't know what it was until I saw it, and I could just feel it was quality. Looked it up. This is their Madison crossbody in silver, metallic, and black. This retails for $250 right now. I love Rebecca Minkoff, but this was beat up, so I left that as well. I took the GG bag, though, so stay tuned, and I'll tell you what that sells for on my Instagram. Now to my favorite section. I actually go to the shoe section first. I did go. I just put it in the middle of the video. So I found like, these were whatever. I put these back. I thought they looked cool, but they were like $10. These are Elk boots. I think Elk, is that what? Emu Australia. These retail for a lot. Didn't know what they were. I found 2 pairs of Uggs. And again, $11.99, but I paid half, so like $5 something. So definitely worth it. These are Michael Kors boots, really pretty condition, and again, $7, around $7. Yeah, so a lot of these shoes were not in the best condition, and the brands were like whatever, but I did find some gems. Like Aldo is not something I want to pick up. As a person, I just am not the kind of person who can list a ton of volume, so I have to really pick and choose what's worth it to list. $10 items and profits aren't really my business model, just because I have ADD and I can't list so much. Toms sell really well. These were Toms, but they were in pretty rough dirt condition. Sam Edelman boots. Do you guys remember when Sam Edelman used to sell for so much money? And now it like doesn't. But yeah, so I'm just kind of looking through stuff right now. And I'll show you after. I'm going to do a haul in the next YouTube video. I don't know what this clip was. Watch me drop it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so look at that. Oh my God, every item was like $3.99 or $2.99 because everything was half off. I spent $110 on how many items? I'm gonna show myself on camera in a minute. So it is 27 items. So it came down to like $4 and something per item. That's insanity. So if you guys want to stay tuned and see what I got, watch my haul, everybody. It's gonna be out next. Guys, I'm so excited. I literally was like one of the first people in there. Now there's a lot of people, but I was there for how long? What time is it? It is, how long is it? It's 11:30, or almost 11:30, and I got here. So I spent an hour and 20 minutes, and I got a lot of stuff. There was like Uggs. I found like designer stuff, some designer stuff. A lot of Madewell, which I always pick up. And yeah, so I'm gonna go home and do a haul and let you guys know what I get. I'm getting Taco Bell first though, because it's right here. Do you see it? Oh yeah, it's right there. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. So that was yesterday that I went thrifting, and now I'm wrapping up right now. I'm gonna try and get everything listed today. It's gonna be a journey, but I'm gonna do a haul video next. So my next video that comes out on my YouTube, also this is shaky. I always say that as a disclaimer. But it's gonna be coming out on my YouTube. Let me hold it with both hands. Let's see if this is better. Perfect. It's gonna be coming out on my YouTube next as my next video, so stay tuned. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, thumbs up, all the stuff. I always forget to say that. Thank you so much, it really helps. Comment down below if I missed anything that you would have picked up or whatever, and let me know. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. If you want to see more of my journey also, follow me on Instagram at YSA50Store and on TikTok, seeing Matt Ryan on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.